If you are trying to download an app from Google Play Store and then you get a message that Google Play Store insufficient storage message, then let us see how to fix this issue. The first thing is to check whether you really have insufficient space left in your device so that the apps cannot be downloaded. For that one, you will go to settings here, you will go to device care, you will go to storage, and you will check here how much of space is left in your Android device. Now if you see, I have used 29.8 gigabyte out of 64 gigabyte. That means I have enough storage left in my Android device. So if you get insufficient storage message even though you have enough storage left in your Android device, then the next thing what you will do is you will remove the cache files and data from the Google Play Store. For that one, we will go to the settings, we will go to apps here, then we will scroll down and then we have to look for Google Play Store. Open this, go to storage, select clear cache and then select clear data and then OK. So once the cache files and the data for Google Play Store is removed, then check if you can download the app again without getting the insufficient storage error message. If this doesn't fix the issue, what you can do is you can go back again to the Google Play Store here, then you can uninstall the latest update and then try to download the apps from Google Play Store. So if I want to uninstall the latest update, I will tap on these three dotted icons here and select uninstall update, and then what does this do is it will replace this app with the factory version. All data will be removed. Okay, so once you uninstall the latest version of the Google Play Store, try to open Google Play Store and download the application. Hopefully this time you should not get insufficient storage message in your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.